Hi, I just wanted to go over an update with Terrain Magic. That's another plugin. That's a pretty cool plugin that I like to use too. I've integrated it with Mapbox Bridge. It's been there, but it hasn't been easy to use because there's a couple changes that need to be made. It's open source for non-commercial, and you need to buy it for commercial for the marketplace. He's also got other couple cool products. Anyway, but since it was open source for non-commercial, I just forked a copy of it and made a couple changes to Terrain Magic. The only thing I did was expose a couple functions to the blueprints so I can automate it. Otherwise, it's still the same Terrain Magic, and I'll keep the source code updated. So again, this is just the only reason I had to make my own version was just to automate it to expose a couple blueprint functions. So let's to go into what Terrain Magic is, it's got all sorts of cool things. You can see this yellow box here. So I'll let you. There's plenty of videos to go over what Terrain Magic is and what it can do for you if you like it. All this is, again, it's just a simple way to import the landscape into a Terrain Magic, either height map landscape clip or an earth landscape clip. Let's add earth landscape clip. Um, so the height map landscape clip, actually let me just delete this. The height map landscape clip here, basically you create whatever size whatever size landscape you want, and then you load in whatever height map. So if you have a bunch of existing height maps, you can load that in. And again, I'll go over. You can watch his tutorials on how it works. So basically, all I'm doing is from the Mapbox Bridge standpoint, is you choose the height map landscape clip, choose what you want, and then click send to Unreal. So all this does is the same thing. It'll download the height map from my application, the Unreal, this application, and load it into here, and it'll save the height maps into your directory. So let's just go through and show you what it does. All right, let's see. So let's pick a different area. I've got my height map landscape clipped. I've already got world partition enabled on it, so it's not really going to change anything. So Unreal and 2720 by 2017 by 2017 is what I'm using. So now you can see that it changed automatically. So now there's pluses and minuses to it. With the original Mapbox import, you can import multiple landscapes. It won't do it on the same place, but what I like about this is that I can quickly, let's just move this down here, quickly preview many landscapes in one place. So it's not going to import multiple landscapes, but I can quickly preview that. So I can go change that. I've still got it. Let's see. This is the height map version I'm using, and 2017 by 2017. And again, I don't think you need to really enable that. It should just work without it. Let's see. Boom. See, so now that changes to that. So you can quickly, let's see, preview many places. Um, very easily, uh, you know, change it to whatever you want. Very easily go through many landscapes, views, without having multiple landscapes and having to delete them and re-add them. So that's the nice thing about this plugin, is it basically just loads the height map for you, and then you get all the features of the plugin to adjust the landscape. So that is the height map landscape clip. This actually uses the downloaded image height map from my application. Now the Earth landscape clip, he downloads his own Mapbox height maps. Okay, so they're not using. So my application is only just basically getting this tile info string here and sending it to them. So if we were to go and add an Earth landscape clip. Now, if I have it set on Earth landscape clip here and hit send to Unreal, and there's no Earth landscape clip in in your project, it's it's obviously not going to work. So you have to add that particular type of landscape clip. Again, you need to go through the documentation for Terrain Magic to understand all these differences. Okay, so if you add an Earth landscape clip, which is his version of downloading from Mapbox, and he has his own map application around here somewhere. Yeah, so you can launch his map application and download the tile through his application. I just integrated it with mine, so it's either way you want to do it. So now that you've got the Earth landscape clip in, you can just choose what you want and hit send to Unreal. Now, since it's a new clip, it'll override what I mean. Normally, you wouldn't have both the height map and the Earth landscape clip in the same place. So let's just hide this. I think that, and then match landscape size, and then so you can see that it's using the Earth landscape clip, and that's where he's downloading his own landscape. He processes some stuff on his image that I don't, different things, and they download into here, height maps, Earth. Mine download into here, all the different ones. So anyway, that's just a little update if you like using Unreal Terrain Magic with this. And so in order to get that working, you would need to install Terrain Magic into your plugins folder. So plugins folder, and I have Terrain Magic installed here. You need my version of it because it exposes for the automation. It exposes a few functions, and this will be in the download link. So if you go to Unreal Terrain Magic and go to releases, just download my version of it for 5.1 and put it in your plugins folder. All the original information for Terrain Magic is here. Here's the marketplace. This is what he has on his page. You can easily go to the original one, which is here, GDI 4K, and this is where I forked it from. Again, for non-commercial use, you can use it for free. For commercial, please buy his product. Thanks. Bye.